Hey, what's up geeks? Ian here once again. Welcome back to our channel and thank you very much for joining me in another episode. So basically guys, what we're trying to do now is that we'll be checking another smartwatch that we've been using for about 2 weeks now. It's called Amazfit Bip S. So far, it's such a good smartwatch with sleep and fitness tracking. So yeah, I know you noticed also that the Philippine smartwatch or wearable industry has been on the rise lately, and Amazfit wants a good portion of that. So this current offering is for the value for money segment, and it comes with a great design. And of course, it has a very practical price standpoint. So okay guys, I know you have seen this kind of watch before. So this is a beefed up version of the Amazfit Bip watch that the company has released a year ago. So far the features that I love most about this watch is that it comes with an always on display. It uses a trans-reflective screen, so it uses the surrounding light and reflect it into the screen. So basically, when you're using it outdoors, it is much clearer. And so there are also tons of sports modes here. The one thing that I like is that it comes with a freestyle exercise. It is the mode that I'm using when I'm trying to do home workouts. So I think it's very useful, especially that most of us are doing our home exercise despite the pandemic. And of course, I also love the battery life. Amazfit is telling us that it has a 40-day battery life. And I think we're trying to also test if we can go that far. But of course, we will be discussing more of that in our review. But this video is about the unboxing, how to set up the watch, and of course, our first impressions and hands-on of the Amazfit Bip S. So, here we go.
Let's go.
So the Amazfit Bip S comes with a premium looking package, just like any other Amazfit products before it. There's a somewhat embossed print of the watch highlighted with a ripple effect on the front. So I think this means that the watch can take serious water activities other than swimming. So aside from that, we have the key specs printed on the front, the always on color display, the water resistance capability up to 50 meters, built-in GPS. It's also lightweight, heart rate sensor, comes with notifications, multi-sports tracking, and it has a long-lasting battery life. So there's no information on the sides, while the back has the product name, specifications, and some regulatory and accreditation deeds of the smartwatch. So opening the box is such a treat. We opened it at the bottom part, revealing another white box with an Amazfit branding which houses some essential items. It feels kinda sturdy, which also gives another layer of premium experience to the users. Opening it, we will be greeted by the Amazfit Bip S. You need to pull this cradle easily to remove the watch, so this also reveals some icons like this one. This signifies the charger, and this paper icon signifies the documentations. The proprietary charger comes in a squarish form factor, so it's not magnetic unlike most of the smartwatch that we have in this price point. So we need to snap the smartwatch in this cradle in order for it to fit for charging. And then of course we also have some useful documentations here which most of you won't read at all. When it comes to the design, the Amazfit Bip S is mostly made of plastic, but however guys, it doesn't look cheap at all. In fact, I love the implementation of its matte exterior. So this matte finish gives a more premium experience to the smartwatch. It also features a 20mm band which is not that flexible, although it's not that rigid either. And in my opinion, it just has the right amount of flexibility to wrap around your wrist. The bands are also comfortable and I wouldn't mind using it when I'm sleeping. The review unit that we have comes with charcoal black colorway, and I think this color is my jam. It gives off a grayish tone on it, which I definitely like. There's also a circular side button which is very clickable. So after peeling the plastic cover from the display, we need to power on the watch by using the side button. There's an Amazfit branding at the bottom bezel, and actually the display is smaller compared to the size of the panel. Once it's turned on, we will be prompted with a QR code for us to pair with the watch using the Amazfit app. You can download this app on Google Play or App Store. So yes, you're right, that also means that it is compatible with Android and iOS devices. So once downloaded, we have to sign in or register an account and input necessary information for our statistics. And then we just have to add the watch and scan the QR code to pair the device. After that, we will be greeted with a series of updates which includes a GPS and GPS updates. This update could also run for about 2 to 3 minutes, so I think you have to be patient for that one. For my impressions, just a quick rundown of my favorite features. We can select watch faces directly from the watch or using the app. There are tons of watch faces to choose from here, and you can even customize the stats that you want from an existing watch face. The smartwatch uses a trans-reflective display. This means that it uses light from the surrounding to reflect it into its display. Compared to an LCD or LED panel, the display is not that clear. But I always love this kind of display, especially when using it outdoors. It could give an LCD display a run for its money, especially when using it under the sun. The always-on display is also a joy to have. For a quick tour of the interface, you'll have quick toggles when you swipe from the top, do not disturb, brightness level, screen lock, and music. And of course, you can also see the battery percentage, the time, and the date. I love the music player since it's also compatible with Spotify, so this means that the watch knows what song's playing on your Spotify app. Of course, swiping from the right will direct you from the main features of the watch. This includes music, step counter, PAI, heart rate measurement, and weather. Swiping from the left is the universal back gesture. From the main interface, tapping the side button will give you status information, heart rate, workout modes, weather, alarm, music, settings, PAI, and timer. So we'll discuss more of this in our review, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, this watch is a very promising smartwatch and it comes with great design. I love the 2.5D arc glass display here. And it also comes with a very intricately made and very progressive app. So I'm very excited to use this and do a simple testing in our review. So stay tuned for that. So I think that's it for me, guys. Thank you very much for joining me once again for this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit that subscribe button below or hit that bell notification icon so that you won't miss any videos we'll post in the future. So once again, thank you very much, guys, for your support. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.